आज डेली डायरी आपको मिला रहा है मिस डिवाइन ब्यूटी की विजेता से। जी हाँ, कुछ दिन पहले मिस डिवाइन ब्यूटी इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल 2019 का खिताब अपने नाम करने वाली सुरीना जेदेका और उनके परिवार से डेली डायरी ने खास बातचीत की। आपको बता दें कि उनके परिवार ने उनके ऐसे ऐसे राज खोले जिसको देखकर सभी हैरान रह सकते हैं। कैसे 20 साल की उम्र में इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर उन्होंने अपना नाम कमाया और कैसे उनका समाज सेवा में योगदान है। आप पूरे वीडियो देखिए और जानिए उनकी फैमिली उनके बारे में क्या कहती है और वो अपने इस खिताब के बारे में क्या कहती हैं।
So basically, since childhood, it was always a dream. घर में लोग आपको मेरे को कभी कभी मिस इंडिया करके बोलते थे and somehow I think that sparked somewhere. And after school, once my school finished, I was 18 years old that time. And after my school life, I started entering into modeling and pageantry. And I started my pageants from Campus Princess. I was the Campus Princess Delhi winner. Then after that, I went on, that time I was 18 years old. Then after that, I went on for Femina Miss India World, which was, I was a state finalist. I was the top 3 in my state. And then I went on for Yamaha Fasino Miss Diva. I was the top 20 in India. So this entire journey was a 2-year-long journey where I evolved as a person. I transformed into a lady from a girl. And it's been one hell of a journey. And finally after 2 years, my dreams have come true. Thank you to Divine Group. I've got the title of Miss Intercontinental India. And I just can't explain it in words. It's a beautiful feeling.
फैमिली के सपोर्ट को कैसे देखते हैं मम्मी पापा?
मेरा फैमिली का सपोर्ट हमेशा स्टार्टिंग से रहा है, be it sports, be it dance, music, be it studies and be it pageants. My family supported me in almost everything. I have never let my parents down. I've always stuck to my values and I think today they're also very proud. So yeah, फैमिली का हमेशा से सपोर्ट रहा है।
छोटा सा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन, मम्मी पापा
ये डिफिकल्ट, ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा टफ है। This is a little tough, of course, because it's a pageant and I'm a girl. So when it comes to hair, makeup, dresses, my mom's support has been a little more in those terms. But it's not like my dad hasn't supported me. He's been my pillar throughout. मेरा अभी current dream ये है to get India the international crown. I think it's been a while that we've got the international crown. And my dream right now is only this, to make my country proud. So let's see how it goes in December.
कुछ जो मॉडल्स होते हैं जब कुछ बड़े लेवल पर जाते हैं कोई, तो वो सोशल जुड़ते हैं। सोशल एक्टिविटीज़ आपकी कैसी हैं? क्या आप किसी संस्था वगैरह से जुड़े हुए हैं? जी
बिल्कुल। मैंने एक्चुअली पहले केटो के साथ काम किया था। आई हैड रेज्ड लॉट ऑफ फंड्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन हु आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम हंगर एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स। आई हैड रेज्ड फंड्स इन लैक्स एंड दिस इज़ अबाउट लास्ट ईयर ओनली। एंड उसके साथ साथ आई एम trying to spread awareness about uneducation of girl child, which is the unprivileged girls. And uske liye I'm working with Amit Asha. So basically Amit Asha is like a NGO jahan pe they're giving support and education to underprivileged girls who can't really, afford education. So I'm working towards that and I'm sure I can, make a difference. Even if it's a little difference, I'm trying my level best to make as much as I can. So
कोई रोल मॉडल है आपका कि मेरे को इसको देख के ही मैं चल रही हूँ और इसको देख के ही मेरे को यहाँ तक मतलब पहुँचना है, इसको टारगेट करना है, मतलब कैसे बनना है?
रोल मॉडल इसी से एक्चुअली मेरा सोशल कॉज आया है। सो बेसिकली एजुकेशन ऑफ गर्ल चाइल्ड इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट and that is why my role model actually is Malala Yousaf. What she has done for education, I think, and for girl child, I think nobody has reached those heights. So she'll always and always, I think she's the role model for every girl out there. So I think वही मेरी actual role model है।
एक संदेश जो आप जैसी लड़कियां हैं उनको देना चाहेंगी लास्ट में?
One message for all those girls out there who are watching this. Girls, let me tell you, pageantry and the glamour industry is not as glamorous as it seems. It's very difficult. There's a lot of hard work that goes into it. And never give up. Just don't give up. Just remember one thing, it's not easy, but just don't give up, because one day, like me, after working for such a long time, you'll realize that your dreams are coming true. And one day maybe, you're in my position and you get to represent India and at that international platform. So yeah, all the best.
So सुरीना को मैंने जब ये जो पैशन है towards modeling or towards stage walking or towards public interaction. My daughter is a very, very confident girl. I'll give you a small anecdote. जब वो 6 years की थी तो उसको हम स्कूल में एक फंक्शन में she was the MC and she was very, very beautifully dressed, and when she was walking towards the mic, the stool fell off. कोई और लड़की होती उस उम्र में तो वो पैनिक कर जाती, लेकिन my daughter was full of confidence. She picked up the stool and said, oops, excuse me, and she continued with her dialogue. I thought at that moment in time, I was sitting in the crowd with my wife, and I said, that's confidence, that's brilliance, and I said she has the stage presence. And I think from that day onwards, we as a family have always supported her with all her interests. I know education is absolutely critical in today's world, but I think a holistic approach towards a child is important, and I think that is where has really helped us as a family. We have given her all opportunities. We have we have from dance to sport and many other activities my daughter has been involved with, and she's reached very senior levels in all these activities and got a lot of accolades for the family itself. She won the award as the best all-rounder when she passed out from the 12th. And so it's a wonderful child. She's made us extremely proud, and I thank her for everything.
I actually have no words to express my happiness. I'm totally speechless. मतलब इतनी खुशी, I'm feeling so proud of her. Just to think that she's going to hold the flag of India and represent India is a very big thing. I could never have dreamt this. I'm just too excited and very happy for her, and I'm just feeling too proud. As parents, हमने बचपन से ही कोशिश की कि उसको सही ग्रूमिंग मिले. बचपन से ही उसको डांस क्लासेस में डाला गया. मेरी तरफ से जो मेरी और मेरे हस्बैंड की तरफ से एज पेरेंट्स जो हम कर सकते थे, हमने उसे शुरू से ही बहुत ज़्यादा हर फील्ड में, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स हो, स्विमिंग, बास्केटबॉल, म्यूज़िक, डांस, हर तरह की ट्रेनिंग दिया उसको. 6 साल उसने कथक का ट्रेनिंग किया. उसको हर रोज़ ले जाना लाना, उसके एग्ज़ाम्स कराना, स्पोर्ट्स खिलाना, जितना हम ग्रूम कर सकते थे किया. बाय एंड ऑफ द डे शी हैड बिग ड्रीम्स, बट मेरी तरफ से सिर्फ ये कोशिश रही कि मैं अपनी तरफ से एफर्ट करते जाएं, आगे स्काई इज़ द लिमिट. सो हमने अपने एफर्ट्स में कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी. जितना हम उसको पुश कर सकते थे उसके ड्रीम्स की तरफ हमने उसको पुश किया. बाकी उसकी डेस्टिनी है, वो यहाँ तक पहुँची है, एंड इट इज़ अ बिग अचीवमेंट. आई नेवर थॉट शी बेसिकली, आई जस्ट वांटेड हर टू बिकम I just focused on a holistic development, not only academics. She's very good in studies. She's an intelligent girl, very hardworking. She's put in a lot of effort. So ना सिर्फ पढ़ाई, मैंने उसको, मैं सब पेरेंट्स से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी कि सिर्फ पढ़ाई ही नहीं, बच्चे को एक ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट, होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट होनी चाहिए. सो हमने कोशिश करके उसको हर फील्ड में थोड़ा थोड़ा एक्सपोज करके उसको उसके स्किल्स दिए. और आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट सुरीना इज़ अ वंडरफुल चाइल्ड. She is the ideal daughter that one can ever think of, and she's a beautiful person inside out. It's not only external beauty. What I am proud of the fact is that she's very beautiful and she's a very compassionate girl. And I just feel that I've been successful in my parenthood, and I feel so proud of her.
As a grandmother, I feel top of the world and very proud of Sureena. And she's a very, very loving and child for me. Or she has worked very hard on this, and she liked this profession of beauty pageant, international, continental. She has won, made me real proud, and I am very happy. He made Jatka family name